Welcome to the Introduction to Reading EDi video. In this video, we will focus on two basic questions. What does EDi data look like, and what are the main parts of an EDi transaction? Here is a sample of EDi data. As you can see, it is a combination of letters, numbers, and other symbols. Let's break it down and look at just one section of this data. Each line of data is called a segment. At the beginning of each segment is the segment identifier. In this example, the segment identifier is BEG. Each segment contains groups of numbers, letters, or a mixture of both. These are called elements. Data elements combine to make data segments. In this example, the elements are separated by asterisks. These are called delimiters. The tilde at the end of this segment is the segment terminator, signifying that it is the end of the segment and another segment is beginning, or that it is the end of the data. Now let's look again at the full data sample from the beginning of this lesson. You can now see that this data is made up of several segments, each of which containing a segment identifier, elements, delimiters, and segment terminators. Finally, let's focus on the first two and last two segments of this data. Each EDi transaction begins with an ISA segment and a GS segment, which contain information such as the sender, receiver, and transaction type. Additionally, each EDi transaction ends with a GE segment and an IEA segment. The data contents within these segments can be thought of as a letter, where the ISA and GS segments at the beginning and the GE and IEA segments at the end are the envelope. This concludes the Introduction to Reading EDi video. Please proceed to the quiz following this video.